How to make passive income with stocks. When you begin investing in stocks, it's important to understand how you might actually be able to make money from owning the stock. Everyone wants to make easy money. Unfortunately, it's not as simple as it may seem to be, but it also doesn't mean that you can't make some extra bucks on the side with as little effort as possible. Passive income is a handsome and lucrative means of earning through which you can invest money one time, but this investment will keep generating income over time. This way, you'll actually be making money without having to do any effort. There are a handful of ways of making passive money. Some popular ones include real estate, lending, index funds, and most popularly, stocks. If you want to find out how you can make a handsome amount of money by investing in stocks, this video will be the perfect resource for you. We'll share some insider tips that will help you excel in the field of making money via stock investment. How stocks work. So basically, when investing in stocks, you buy stocks of different companies and service providers. Then, the company makes profit as a result of the investment. This profit also reflects on the share prices. When you find that the share prices have gone up, you can easily sell the shares and make some extra bucks on the side. So far, you would have realized that when investing money in stocks, you need to be vigilant about the timing of the purchase and sale of stocks. Though it seems complicated, at its core, it's quite simple. Moreover, stocks are also subdivided into various types. Some companies offer stock dividends to give you a small percentage as an award if the company performs well. If you want to make huge returns, then you also have an option to invest in new companies, but they are also too risky. It all depends on your deep analysis and willingness to take risks. Tips. Stock investment might seem quite simple and easy, but while many people make money with stocks, many people have also lost huge sums of money through the same trade. Therefore, if you want to maximize the profit made, you need to play the game the right way. Stay updated always. The first rule of investing in stocks is being updated. Stock prices vary on a regular basis. Someday, the prices may go up a lot, while other days, the market index might be doing quite poorly. The key is to generally keep an eye on the prices of all types of stocks. This way, you'll be able to know when it is the right time to buy or sell stocks. Even the slightest change in the stock prices can have a huge impact on the overall return of the stocks. Therefore, make sure that you are aware of all the changes and are ready to take decisions accordingly. Gathering information and updates is important, but it is equally important to ensure that the information gathered is obtained from true and authentic sources. Rely on authentic information sources. There are many types of speculations and rumors that make their way to the stock exchange market every day. But your decision regarding stocks should be based on information that is true and 100% authentic. Another important thing regarding stock investment is patience. You need to be patient and not rush into things. This goes either way. Whether you're planning to buy stocks or sell them, you need to pay attention, analyze everything carefully, and then reach a conclusion. Stick to a strict budget. When investing in stocks and getting a return on the money invested, many people get hasty and start investing everything that they have in stocks. This is done in hopes of increasing their profit. This might seem like a good approach, but in reality, this can go either way. You need to understand that stock investment is a risky business. The chances of you making a profit are equal to the chances of you losing all your money. Therefore, before you go ahead, start investing in stocks, set aside a budget and stick to it. Hire an expert. If you are not experienced enough and still want to invest in stocks to make money, you should surely hire an expert to take care of the stock management on your behalf. The expert will charge you some money, but this expense is 100% worth it because the expert will handle your stocks in a way that will minimize the risk of loss and increase the chances of you making a profit as much as possible. As you learn and become familiar with the world of stock exchange, you can gradually start taking things in your own hand and then end up taking over the responsibility yourself and eradicating the need of an expert entirely. Look at the bigger picture. Stock investment is an excellent investment opportunity. There's no doubt about it. But you need to think of it as a long-term money-making source. If you're looking for a passive source of income that can start generating money immediately, stock exchange might not be the best option for you. When you invest in some stocks, forget about them. Don't think of them at all, but do keep an eye on the updates. The more patient you remain, the larger will be the return that the stocks will end up generating for you in the end. Take some risks. It cannot be iterated enough times that stock exchange is extremely unpredictable. Things can go wrong in a split second, and at the same time, you might end up making a huge sum of money within no time. The risk factor is a part of stock exchange and trading. Therefore, it cannot be eradicated at all. But if you keep telling yourself that you might lose your money, you will never invest, which in turn means that your chances of making money will also be thrown out of the window. Therefore, acknowledge the fact that risk is part of the package and do take some risks here and there. If you incur monetary loss, the risk will leave you with valuable earnings that will prove immensely beneficial in the future. Hopefully by now, you would have made up your mind about how you're going to embark on your journey of stock exchange. Let us know how it goes in the comments down below. Also, leave some suggestions regarding some other video you wish for us to make. Like, share, and subscribe for more, and also press the bell icon to receive notifications for new video uploads.